What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Aksaka Cheche. Alright, so in this video, I want to talk about the top 5 ways I've lost money online. Alright, so these are really ridiculous. Some are quite, ignorant or stupid, but I did them anyway and I lost quite a ton. So, alright, so let's dive in. Before that, now, in this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. I'd love for you to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one. All right, so the first way I lost money online would be Ponzi schemes. So you know the whole pyramid schemes where you pay money, then you get someone to get in and under you, and I'm sure you probably could have experienced all of those. Okay, so that was how. So it was Ponzi schemes. I've lost quite a ton of ungodly cash on Ponzi schemes. Okay, so now I've known better. I have grown up. I've matured my thinking and my financial education. So I know now to avoid any scheme that looks like it's a Ponzi scheme, a pyramid scheme. So a pyramid scheme is a scheme where you have to get someone in and then they pay money, and there's this whole table and cycle and everything, and at the end someone just disappears. Boom, they are gone, and so is your hard-earned cash. So now one of the lessons I learned while reading the book The Richest Man in Babylon by Richard Clayson was that you should guard your gold. So I've learned right now to guard my gold, my money very well. So no more Ponzi scheme, not ever. Now, the second way I've lost money online is through Forex. Of course, this is not a dish at the Forex markets, okay, or whoever trades Forex. I'm just talking about my personal experiences. Okay, first off, while trading Forex, I was not so happy because, well, I was scared. But you get a few dollars and cents here today, and you're like, okay, so I might just keep trying this out. Okay, so that was what kept happening. And so the worst part is some days I wouldn't get sleep because I was scared. Of course, I had my stop losses, I had my take profits, but then I was trading on people's ideas. Okay, I didn't do my own research. I just traded on faith and trust, and well, and okay, so the worst thing is I didn't get to sleep at night because yeah, I had my stop losses, my take profits in place, but then I was still scared. So I would wake up around say 12 a.m., look at my phone just to confirm that my cash is not gone. I'll wake up around 1:30, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5. So at some point I came to my senses. I was like, okay, I came to my senses and I realized that this was not working for me. Okay, I was not making so much money like I thought I would. I was not sleeping either. I was not happy. I was very emotional about trading, and maybe it's because I'm a very romantic man. You never know. So so that was so Forex. I lost, well, very big, very big. All right. Number 3, crypto. Now, so one of the big guys I really admire a lot on the online space, Chris Annie. So I'm very big on crypto. Now, I was watching his video one day, and then he mentions that the market you play in determines how much you get to make. And I was like, wow, that's right. Now, but to complete this, the market you play in determines how much you can make, and it determines how much you can lose. Okay, so with crypto, I saw my first $5,000 portfolio was crypto. Okay, and also the first time I lost $1,500 at once. I mean, within hours was crypto too. So, well, so far so good. The gains have been more than the losses. But I'm just saying it's also a place you can lose your cash. Okay, so you want to be careful. I tell my students to stay far away from the futures and the margin trading, because the day I tried it, I tried margin trading. I mean, I got like 20 messages telling me to come and top up my margins because I was going to get cut off, right? I mean, it was like I was getting like one message per minute. It was too much. It was too much, and I didn't want that. So it kind of reminded me about when I was trading Forex. Okay, and I thought, okay, I want something that wouldn't affect my mind, my emotions. I want something, something safe. All right, at least to the level of risk that I wanted. So, well, so crypto. Number four, online scams. So this has become quite bad, right? Because it's still happening. Okay, but then I was still quite naive. It was about 2 years ago. So of course, I doubt anyone can scam me anymore on the internet. I mean, so it was I've forgotten what they call this. Yeah. So the person came from one platform, I was talked about binary trading, and then so my greed didn't let me do my due diligence. I didn't do any research. I just sent my cash. Now, what made it more painful to me was that when I requested that they just get the money out without any profit, they told me that for me to withdraw the money, I would have to add extra money to withdraw it. I was like, damn. So, well, I just forgot all about it and just let it go. Let it go. So please, it's not right that you should let um, greed, because mine was greed. I don't know about yours, but mine was greed. So don't let greed make the better of you. All right. So be careful on the online space. There are lots of scammers, people who are very eager and ready to, take what you have away from you. All right. So number five. So number five is about fear. Fear of failure, fear of past mistakes. It made me lose lots of amazing opportunities because, I was wondering how I was going to scale through, considering all the mistakes I've made earlier in the past. So this made me not take on new opportunities. So I want to encourage you. Most times when people come to me and they want to make money online, they are scared of the mistakes they've made, about how much money they've lost in the past, and then it deprives them from opportunities that could change their lives. Okay, so how I handle this is that now I understand how you feel because I've lost quite a ton myself. But here's the thing: I realized that if I didn't take any more opportunities, nothing would change for me. Okay, so I'm very ambitious. I have very big dreams. So, and I realized that if I didn't make any moves, well, I'll be right where I was. So I took the risk, and well, I'm living better. I'm happier. Building more products, platforms, audiences, communities every day, and I'm happy doing that. All right. So understand that there are certain risks that you must take, but make sure you calculated them. All right, and just dive in. So if you get to lose, well, you learn, and if you get to win, well, you'll be happy. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.